I'm going to talk to you today about the Catchmaster glue board. This peanut butter scented glue board can be used for either rodents or insect control. It's easy to use, and you could easily discard of insects or rodents straight into the garbage. You don't have to touch them or make contact with them. As you can see, this will peel off, exposing the scented glue board underneath. You can place this in any corner up against any structure where you know that there's rodents or insects traveling. It's good for mice, snakes, crickets, roaches, ants, all kinds of different things, house centipedes. If you lay it flat, they'll come into contact with the glue. It's very sticky. It's non-poisonous, so you can touch it, apply it. Anybody can use these. You can have it exposed like this, or you can actually fold it up into a square. Like so, and you can tuck it underneath areas like fridges, stoves, furnaces, hot water tanks, anywhere you know there's activity. And you can also label and date the time of installation for proper monitoring.